Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Workday dashboard step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type in your Workday URL in the address bar. Press the Enter key on your keyboard to load the page. Once the Workday login page appears, locate the username field. Enter your username in the provided field. Next, move to the password field. Type in your password carefully. Make sure to check for any case sensitivity in your password. After entering your password, look for the Sign In button. Click on the Sign In button to proceed. If prompted, complete any additional security verification steps. This may include answering security questions or providing a verification code. Once verified, the Workday dashboard will load. Familiarize yourself with the layout of the dashboard. You will see various icons and functions available for your use. Explore each section to find tools and resources relevant to you. If you encounter any issues logging in, check your username and password for accuracy. Alternatively, you can use the Forgot Password link if needed. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Once successful, you will be back to the login page to try again. Ensure you securely log out after completing your session. This protects your personal information and account. Congratulations, you are now logged into the Workday dashboard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.